In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your first booking in MagManager. First, we need to find the client, and to do that, we click on Clients in the top navigation bar, and then from the Client screen, we would select the client that we added in the first tutorial. So we can see ABC Limited, and we can click anywhere on the line there, and that will take us to the client record. From the client record, we select the Bookings tab, and beneath this you'll see Adverts, Content, Miscellaneous. You select the appropriate tab for the booking you wish to make, and in this example I want to book an advert. In the main part of the screen you'll see the publication name and the issues. Your first issue will be showing up here available to book, as it's automatically created when you set up the MagManager account. So let's say, for example, that we want to add another issue to the magazine. So we've already got January and we were going to add February as well. We can simply do that by clicking on the Create Issue button under February, and that will add the February issue for us. So for this particular client, I want to book them into January and February, and to do that I click to book here, and we now have the two ticks. And then I go up to the top right of the screen where the red arrow is and click the Complete Booking button. The next step is to tell MagManager what size of advert we want to book, and to do that we click on New Advert up in the top right of the screen, and from the drop down select the advert size. So in this case I'm going to select a full page. So MagManager has now created the full page, and it's ready for us to drag and drop down onto the line for the January and the February issue. You'll notice that underneath the pink box it now says the publication name, the local mag, and it also lists the issues that this advert is being used in. So you'll also notice now that the price here is set to 0, and that's because we haven't yet set up any default pricing. We'll show you how to do that in a later tutorial. But let's say we're charging £300 for a full page. We can just type the price in. And it brings up the total of 600. If we want to add a discount, we can just enter the discount amount as a percentage here, or if you want to give a particular price discount, you can override the discount amount field by adding in the discount there. If the client has a purchase order number, you can enter that in the PO field over to the bottom left hand side. The artwork for the booking can be added at a later stage, so at this point we're ready to save the booking, and we can do that by clicking on the blue button that says Save Booking. So from the grid here you'll see that we have a full page in January and a full page in February, and these are displayed as dark blue boxes, which indicates that they're booked into the publication but have not yet been set on the flat plan. And so the next step would be to place the booking onto the flat plan, which we'll cover in the next tutorial.